Lutwa wa Maro no mege, wa Woro no mege. Yeah? Mege go nywala wan, mege go gwako wan, mukene go gwako wan kichingi en kekene. I remember my one food what dad left us so early but mama took it upon herself to teach us great morals, great manners. Many ni what done what better done one what by the way, my mom was hot. She was blazing and hot at the same time. My mom was beautiful. I tell you. For free. And by the way, she was still young. She could hope nature but she grounded herself and utamuni po miri apele we want gange. She kept herself in her own home and she toiled. She worked her fingers to the bone just to give us that education, just to give us that food to eat on the table. Woro Mege mothers, let's respect them to go again. Let us support their endeavors. Come on, let us make sure we are supporting them to make sure gain begu elegu be dana. Period. And we are young, Mege wa madon young who got gangi pilotini na pachero kamo chogu yelu Mege. But at the end of the day, they kept themselves at their own homes. Wati karama relationship ko berijani beru 1 week, 1 month, no cap. Ba danoti yo kawon. Mukana wona kirubejo kinywalo lutini ma kirubejo lumegiu uminu kinywalo lutini kikelo kireme chingu. Un meno jolo dagi dog kichero kinywalo kikelo jolo pian un kirubejo. Kiberu kamio ne botu ko meno. O meneno ni wadok uno ikit mete kwaro kit meneno ni kak dong ini chero gang mon no chero men chung ke gi good and bad times meneno ni wachung da wadong uno gang pe wachero uno kabalo gang war mege be good team their part even cho mukana dong kunyon be and point mon ma they don't care no more but we should learn men team jem ma bejo. We have been ula bol chel ki Bible. Ruth uberu dako mo makirati mada. And in his story maybe what you need, you don't know Ruth chapter 12 from 15 to 18. This is how it says. Ruth 1:15 through 18. Look, said Naomi, your sister-in-law is going back to her people and her gods. Go back with her. But Ruth replied, don't urge me to leave you, or to turn back from you. Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God. Where you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. May the Lord deal with me, be it ever so severely, if even death separates you and me. When Naomi realized that Ruth was determined to go with her, she stopped urging her. Story ngo mawamo learning kikan. Eneni Ruth uberu daga chiel ma gachiel kede opa guberu mon chi like mon man no lutini pa Naomi gu nyomogen entro opa karma ke wajani do da ko pori poye uye dure u speed ki wobo bercara en nier wa kunyoni even cho wa mu kana kunyoni gi we ha family kumero so ngoma learning kan enemy. Ruth had a relentless spirit. Ruth was not about to give up. Ruth wani ana chero keri mama madir ana chero keri mama punyalo lu chwara agwa in abi beru keri pen to pen giro moy kan be po wan ma gwak to ka kere yo mo po anken in kanti giro mo ma anati mo me po ka in lu ba mero tik marade de dai koma. That is the spirit ma wan we need kunyoni mene no go unu gang wo chung unu darma tek what take mo ma entertainment has taken over the world. And we are there. We are jubilating. Come Jeremy Entertainment. We are there. How do we make that difference? One thing I want me creating a difference, but just to live, and then go without creating an impact. We're living in a time and age where it's no longer about integrity, but rather there are people who are looking for positions and possessions. But I tell you for free, vanity upon vanity is vanity. Jamie any weng po bicharo kedwan kamoiken. Kauti keniti tela. Guak ngom pachuri kama initi yeni. Kaiti tela. Lubang kero inga kenyuni. Tim gino mo men supporting uno chuli meki. Okay chan marai. Moromo komwani. Tamani we better about in the can tamani kai timo pocket itima be lutini wadire made go be deno chan and it will be because of you. Manoti. May God help us to have that spirit, but Ruth may be relentless. By the way, Lubang blessed Ruth. She had Boaz, one of the richest men in that land. Kade tamani kunyoni guak no president me will tie munyomo eno because mother-in-law ne ponyo ene ro perfume ni tim gina kede no chero kabera kwanyo ko chamudo iporopa Boaz para Lubang blessing and so let us have that spirit, then Lubang will also never leave us.